Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister enraged at unhygienic accommodation to Meghalaya Games athletes. Self-help group Milakam Financial Literacy Camp held in Bolongitok, Tikri Kilasin RD Block. And Khasi Author Society elects new committee members in Synod College, Shillong. And now the news in detail. After the social media posts of soiled bathrooms, leaking roofs and unhygienic conditions of the accommodation facilities for the participants of the ongoing Meghalaya Games 2022 were sent to the Meghalaya Chief Minister by the athletes to highlight the poor management, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited the place immediately to take stock of the things and ordered the organizers to move the athletes to a hotel for better facilities.
Putting up. Oh, that's why immediately I told them that we be shifted into the hotel and then put them. This is not the way. I mean, I'm not happy with this at all. This is very, very.
I think everyone's not only here. There's accommodation made in MSOA office also. I mean, both boys and girls are being kept in the same building, and the toilet there's no provision for water also. I mean,
that was shift just now.
That's what, but they should not be shifted there, no, sir, tonight. I mean, there should arrangement should have been made from the beginning. No? I mean, you have to see the condition of the building. It's leaking. I mean, the boys cannot sleep there.
And bathrooms.
Bathroom pathetic.
Not garbage. My sports team. My That's hotel ako buka touch ka ba? Ne? Hotel ako sumama. Problem mo sino yate ko, ne? Take them to the hotel and make sure they're okay. Boss, this is not good, mo. Should have been worked out properly before.
As part of the Northeast Festival and the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, a self-help group Milakam Financial Literacy Camp was held in Tikri Killa today, the 3rd of May 2022. The camp was organized by the district administration along with Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, block team and SBI at Bolongitok under Tikri Killa CNRD block. The camp was actively participated by all National Rural Livelihood Mission, Women Self-Help Group and village organization along with the community and people from nearby villages. Stalls were also run by many departments such as Deemed Dayal Upadhyay Grameen Kaushalya Yojana, Veterinary Department, Aadhaar Team, Health Team, MHIS, ICDS Team, National Social Assistance Program, Bank branches and others. Today, the 3rd May 2022, the Khasi Author Society had a gathering in Synod College for electing new committee members in which Professor Dr. D.R. L. Nonglat was re-elected as the President, Dr. K.D. Ramsey as the Vice President, Dr. R.P. Kharshiying as the General Secretary, Dr. M.M. Khumdet, Joint Secretary, Shri P. Kharshiying as the Financial Secretary. In this gathering, new members of the Central Executive Committee were also elected. Speaking to the media, Dr. Nonglat informed that they will follow up the issue of inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. He also informed that the Khasi Author Society is in the process of releasing the Khasi dictionary in 3 years' time.
Khasi dictionary. Meghalaya. They say hello to Nigafan ki Rimang Rutep kiba bet kiba Shimmy Beijing Italy kiba Pura Nantagani, Dr. Badapinwar, Baki Dr. Barikat Kian Kilaban Ajikran, Kumno Kene Kamplaya, and they get a Kam Kabani, a right and in Pendep, Lakumno Kumno, Apo, Lice Namenta, but I'm done getting the editing. Terdak bat babun ki bentai ke dei baca di Khasi. Nanta sagawai pat kalong ba ngin bodien teng e. Ya ke jingdawa jongi ban pendung ye di Khasi apo ka khmet ke bakra. Ke jing bodien kat sedang ni naduk ni ka sarkar jila. Ke jing lagi tentu ye Chief Minister but you minister but political department.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.